What if the voice in your head, the one listing tomorrow's disasters, isn't really you? Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now claims it can silence that voice and free you from overthinking, anxiety, and the ache of never feeling enough. Chapter 1, You Are Not Your Mind. Imagine your mind as a power drill, invaluable when you need it, devastating if it never stops spinning. Most of us leave that drill running all day, grinding metal, scattering sparks, until the motor burns out. Listen to the chatter. What if I fail? Did I lock the door? Why did I say that? Sound familiar? Tolle calls this non-stop narration the greatest addiction on earth, because we can't locate the off switch. And like any addiction, it literally drains life, one anxious thought at a time. So how do you reclaim the controls? You watch the thinker. Next time you wash your hands, feel the coolness, smell the soap, hear the water drumming the porcelain. When thoughts rip you away, notice the rip, then gently escort attention back to now. You'll quickly see you are the observer, not the noise. Chapter 2, Consciousness, the Way Out of Pain. Every heartbreak, insult, failure leaves a shard inside us. Over years, shards fuse into what Tolle calls the pain body, a psychic parasite hungry for drama. Ever snapped at a loved one, then wondered, where did that rage come from? That overreaction is the pain body feeding, growing. But here's the twist. Awareness is kryptonite. Feel anger rising, depression sinking, fear prickling, simply name it. The pain body wakes, and the moment you notice, it begins to lose power. Try it right now, sit quietly, watch the next thought arrive. Notice the pause, the sacred gap, before thought appears. That gap is the portal to presence. Chapter 3, Moving Deeply into the Now. Without the mind, time collapses. Ask an owl, what time is it? And the owl answers, now o'clock. Past and future are moons reflecting the light of the present. Without now, they vanish. Use clock time to catch a train, meet a deadline, pay a bill. But live in psychological time, and stress becomes your roommate. I used to sprint toward tomorrow, convinced the next milestone would finally hand me happiness. But the finish line kept moving. Imagine a helicopter drops you on Everest summit. No climb, no triumph, just thin air. Joy lives in the climbing, the slipping, the breathing. Future problems are ghost stories written by today's boredom. Remove every problem right now, and within days, the mind invents new ones. Because problems need time to cook, to ferment, to become problems. A tiger bursts into your room. It's not a problem. It's a situation. You run, you act. Ask yourself what problem exists in this exact second. Not in 10 minutes, not after the meeting, right now. Prisoners writing to Tolle discovered freedom behind the same bars simply by asking this. Start small when cooking. Feel the knife slice the orange, smell citrus exploding. Waiting for the elevator, sense your feet, the cool metal handrail. 10 minutes of daily meditation is gym for presence. Catch yourself drifting, congratulate, you just returned. Presence is like Wi-Fi, invisible, yet connect, and the world opens. If you want the full roadmap, grab the book, or listen free, link below. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the sky, thoughts, just weather. Stay present, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the now.